Today we're going to talk about what is the best zero down home loan. The best zero down loan for buying a house. Check it out. Hi, my name is Rhonda Burgess, and I'm a real estate broker and mortgage underwriter here in the Nashville, Tennessee area, and my firm is Southern Living Realty Partners. All right, y'all know I'm biased. I'm going to say it right now. The best zero down loan for buying a house is USDA, is the USDA home loan, formerly known as the Farmer's Home Loan, also known as rural housing loans, rural development loans, whatever you want to call it. USDA Rural Development Home Loan is the best zero down loan out here. You want to know why? Let's talk about it. Again, you don't have to have no money down. And let's keep this 100. No money down doesn't mean that you don't need money. No money down means that the USDA will guarantee the loan up to 101% of the purchase price. Okay? And I say 101% because another reason why USDA is the best zero down loan is because our fees are lower. So we charge a 1% fee up front. Okay? So that's why I say we will guarantee up to 101% of the loan. That 1% fee is just like upfront mortgage insurance premium on FHA. Okay? It's just like the VA loan guarantee fee. Everybody charges a fee. And this is how we put that into a fund to do future loans, for other borrowers in the future, to do new loans. So, whereas with VA, it may be 2.25% if you haven't used your VA before, or 2.75 if you have, or something like that. FHA has the upfront MIP payment. With USDA, it's 1%. And you can finance that into the loan. Just like on FHA and VA, you can finance that upfront fee into the loan also. But USDA's is only 1% of the loan. So again, if you're buying a $200,000 house, they will guarantee you up to $202,000 because at 1% of that $200,000 is $2,000. So they'll do a loan amount of up to $202,000. The second reason why USDA is the best zero down loan for buying a home is because our monthly payment, our monthly fee is cheaper too. Not only do you have the 1% that I just talked about up front, that's funded at closing. And just like you have mortgage insurance premiums every month on a FHA loan, you have what we call our annual fee. Our fee is 0.35%, whereas FHA, it used to be 0.5%, but I know it's higher than that now. So the annual fee is only 0.35%. So that keeps your monthly payment lower than if you do an FHA loan. Now, we have people all the time who try to qualify for a USDA loan and then they're not able to, and then they have to go do FHA. Just know that you will have higher fees on the upfront mortgage insurance premium and also on the monthly premium. USDA just has lower costs all the way around than FHA. There's no monthly fee on a VA loan, but again, the USDA loan is cheaper on the upfront funding fee. Another reason why USDA is the best zero down loan is because in my personal opinion, and I've underwritten everything, FHA, VA, conventional. I did a lot of conventional, and USDA. USDA to me is the easiest. It has the easiest underwriting system. GUS is not as complicated as your Fannie Mae, your Freddie Mac. Okay, And to me, it gives a whole lot more leeway, because you can get a USDA manually underwritten loan where an actual underwriter has to look at the whole thing. Like even if the computer says, I just don't know about this one, I want somebody to look at it. Okay. To me, the USDA has the easiest underwriting criteria, to get you to closing. They don't worry about a whole lot. Listen, if you don't you don't have any other property in your name, you don't have foreclosures, bankruptcy, you don't owe the federal government any other money. Because believe me, we check. There are checks that are done. If you don't owe the government any money, even if you owe the IRS, USDA will guarantee that loan as long as you've set up a payment arrangement and you've made at least the first 3 payments. They'll still finance you. Now, I didn't say that VA was the best loan, because I feel like I love the VA loan. You know, I've used my VA several times. And with me being a service disabled veteran, I don't pay funding fee. So yes, the VA loan is beautiful, but it's only for veterans. The reason why I say USDA is a better loan, because it's for everybody. It's for everybody. As long as you're picking something in the rural community. And let me speak on that. USDA is the best zero down loan, because let me go to the map. What you think is rural and what the guidelines say may be 2 totally different things. Like I know here in Nashville's in Davidson County, right here in the middle. To the east is Wilson County. It's right out, go right past the airport. Wilson County. Mount Juliet in Lebanon. Lebanon is still in the rural housing area. Now, I'm not sure. I haven't looked in a minute, because honestly, I don't underwrite Tennessee loans as much anymore at all, because they come from everywhere. Like we have different states that we cover now. So I barely ever see a Tennessee loan anymore. Okay. But it used to be that all of Wilson County was considered rural. And that has to do with what their congressperson pushed for. Like I said in the previous video, it's all intertwined with what the public wants, Congress puts together, and then the guidelines and everything. But all of Wilson County, all of Mount Juliet, at least used to be considered rural. So again, you need to check and see what is rural and what is not where you live or where you're thinking about buying. Because even though you may think you need to be out in, Timbuktu, that is not necessarily the case with a USDA rural housing loan. And finally, another reason why I believe the USDA rural housing loan is the best zero down home loan is because you can pay your own closing costs. You can ask the seller to pay your closing costs. The seller can pay up to 6% of your closing costs. I've seen a lot of loans where the people were only out of pocket maybe $500. Their earnest money, maybe a home inspection, stuff like that. So the seller can pay up to 6% of your closing costs, and you can get assistance. If you want to use a program like THDA, you can use that with a USDA loan. Just know that USDA will cover 100% of that loan. They'll roll in that 1% funding fee, that upfront fee. The annual fee is lower, meaning your monthly payment is lower than compared to an FHA loan. And areas that you think are rural may still qualify for the USDA loan. Again, my name is Rhonda Burgess, and I am a real estate broker here in the Nashville area. If you're looking to buy or sell a home in Nashville, I'd be glad to help you. You can give me a call at any time. My cell phone number is 615-554-0832. Thank you, and as always, have a blessed day.